How to make the edges stretch effect. Today's video is sponsored by Mr. Fantastic. Right-click to your clip, make it a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Go to the Tools, Macros, find the empty edges stretch and bring it to your flow. For this you'll need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the MT glitch tools. Set the X minimum to 0. Also the Y minimum to 0. Change the adjust Y value to 0.5. Make sure that you are in the first frame. Move the adjust X in the position you want to start. Activate the keyframe button. Go to the last frame and move the adjust X value to animate the position of the stretch. The effect is over, but I will mumble about myself for 10 minutes, because I want to be a YouTube celebrity. So let's begin. I'm very handsome guy, with an IQ level of 300, I've got lot of friends, and definitely not a virgin. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, my genius is above your limits.